Hold up. Jesse Eisenberg playing Lex Luthor? Stop playing. Hold up. Justin Chatwin is playing Goku? Getting tired of Hollywood messing up good movies with bad actors.
Welcome to another episode of Casting Call. October rolls on and we continue the month of Halloween with a brand new casting. So let's get into it. First off, I just want to say, you guys know for years now, DC has been threatening to do a Justice League Dark movie. Mm-hmm. For those of you who don't know what Justice League Dark is, it's a team of DC characters that are like magic and horror characters.
Just Google it and you'll see a picture of a man named Gerald Tomo with a plastic bag over his head touching himself.
You might also see a movie called League of Extraordinary Gentlemen.
But with that said, Marvel hasn't even thought about doing an equivalent. And they already have the team set up. They've had this team since the 80s called the Midnight Sun.
I learned something today.
Guess what? We're casting the Midnight Sun.
Y'all gonna learn something too.
So, here are the parameters. This is in the MCU. So you can't, unless you can justify an existing actor in the MCU, you can't use an actor that's already in the MCU. And I say that because I'm using an actor that's in the MCU. With that said.
Damn it. So I don't have a blade.
Okay. You might still have a blade.
I don't have a blade.
You might still have a blade.
Unless the Infinity Gems rewrite it.
Unless they can snap the reality. That's what I said. I don't have a blade either. So as you can tell, we're first going to start with Blade.
You're not wrong. Wait, no Doctor Strange? Okay, let me put the parameters. The premise of this movie is Doctor Strange, because Doctor Strange is also in the Midnight Sun. So he is the quote-unquote leader.
Yeah, so we got.
But we're not casting him, because we already have a Doctor Strange.
Okay.
But with that said, we will cast Blade first. Okay. You know what? I will go first to let y'all feel like it's okay to fuck. Can I go first? Because I think I have the least complicated one.
We're all going to say the same goddamn thing.
We're not going to say the same goddamn thing.
Go ahead.
Look, there are two roles you do not recast. You do not recast Mufasa. You do not recast J. Jonah Jameson, and you don't recast Blade. We're sticking with Wesley Snipes. You said two.
He did say two. I guess we now know it's the third.
Okay. So you think we should keep Wesley Snipes?
Yeah, I approve.
I approve. Maybe you're right.
If he escaped them other prison charges.
Man has had a whole TV show.
Exactly. Come on now. So I was thinking, for my casting pick, I was thinking, even though this person's already in the MCU and he's in multiple movies now, that's how fucked up it is.
Never mind.
I don't care. Diamond Hospital.
He's like side characters in the Marvel movies.
Give us three.
Give us three. Oh, give us three. He can do whatever he wants.
But he's about to be in Captain Marvel. He was already in Guardians of the Galaxy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but I'm like, fuck it.
Who you got?
I chose M'Baku.
Damn.
M'Baku.
I see why.
I want to give Winston Duke a chance.
I do too.
I want to give him a chance, but
in my version, Thanos snapped his fingers. He realized it was too hot to carry his blanket. So my dude is to get out, dude.
You can't go to Wakanda for all our casting.
Why not? Who said so? Every white person can run Scarlett Johansson. You give me what I want.
Next up on the list is Ghost Rider. I'm a jump out first.
Nah, let me handle this one.
Okay.
My Ghost Rider, first of all, is Reyes.
Mm-hmm.
I chose Freddy Rodriguez. If you don't know who Freddie Rodriguez is, he does a lot of voice acting.
Mhm.
But you ever seen Planet Terror? It was like a Grindhouse video.
Oh, the guy with the knives.
The guy with the knives
Flipping off the walls.
flipping off the goddamn walls. Like
Okay.
Okay. I chose Robbie. Did you choose Robbie Reyes?
No,
I
because
chose Robert-
because Robbie Reyes is already in Agents of Shield.
And that's why. And that's why I chose Gabriel Luna to just drive on over.
So
It's
you
like I'm
cheated.
Ghost Rider.
So you cheated.
No, he didn't cheat.
That man is good as a Ghost Rider.
Look, there are multiple Ghost Riders, and in his version, we just happen to be using that
I
one.
should say Freddie Rodriguez and take him out.
I'm just saying that guy's good as Robbie Reyes, as both Robbie Reyes and Ghost Rider.
So, I cheated too.
Did you get Nicolas Cage?
I did get Nicolas Cage. Look, I know it's controversial, but I actually liked his Ghost
Have you
Rider.
not seen Drive Crazy?
Drive Angry.
Whatever.
I know it's controversial, but I did like his Ghost Rider. And I think that version of Ghost Rider, look, if Wesley Snipes is Blade, can you imagine the on-screen ridiculousness that would happen when Nicolas Cage Ghost Rider does some ridiculous shit?
I mean, he's on a team with Moon Knight.
So
They'll just-
we're going with the Johnny Blaze on yours. Yeah.
They'll just be the fuck around game.
Okay.
Nicolas Cage looks like he purposely buys value meals to jack off in the box. Like, I don't want that.
That was a reach for something. But I gotta give you credit for that. Okay, I'm next. So I'm doing Dan Ketch. And
That's the one on the horse.
That's like the,
No.
That's like the third tier one.
that was the 90s Ghost Rider.
Yeah, third tier.
Okay, shut up.
I mean, I respect the fact that none of us chose Johnny. But
I chose Johnny.
Yeah.
He just rolled. He just had Nicolas Cage roll. So, and this time around, we don't need the hose to clean the shit off of him. We're gonna go with Norman Reedus. Okay,
That makes sense.
that makes sense. He fit right in.
Yeah.
He show up on set, they be like, we don't.
perfect.
Man, you are.
No wardrobe change. Somebody get this rid of Four Loco.
I didn't take a shower. Good.
You smell.
We decided to roll on set. What the fuck is that, man?
You smell real bad.
Next up, I dug deep in Marvel lore for this one. Technically, she was a member of the team. I went with Jennifer Kale.
You didn't even wait. Okay.
You didn't cast her, did you?
That did cast her.
Okay. She's a magician in the Marvel universe. Almost like a witch. I'm gonna go first on this one.
Fuck, she's in the Marvel universe. Okay, I gotta back up.
Age wasn't a concern for me. I went with Sarah Jessica Parker because we talked about that. Because she was in Witches.
She was in a Hocus Pocus.
She was in Hocus Pocus, my bad.
Yeah.
So, I mean, she's a witch. It doesn't matter.
Old spell, she get cast, kills boners. Can I say that?
Sure.
Well, okay.
You next.
Okay, I was gonna originally cast my 315 choice, but she's already in the universe.
Kate Blanchett.
Kate Blanchett. But Tilda Swinton.
She's already in the minority.
She was the
Angel
angel.
one.
Fuck her. Okay.
You want me to
Wait. She died. Finger snap. We get Tilda Swinton.
Technically, Kate Blanchett died too.
Look, no, Hella didn't die.
As far as we know.
Look, we can't snap our fingers and be scared every time we want to change something.
Okay. Shit. Fuck it. Fringe. I'll take the fringe home.
Just
Damn.
whatever. We call her hoe. We respect the women this year. I don't care about Jennifer Kale, so I picked Daisy Ridley. Okay.
If you're gonna throw away in the trash, might as well throw it all the way.
Hollywood doesn't care about her either.
Because who is Daisy Ridley?
not touching that one. I'm not touching that one.
All right, so you said she was like a witch, right? She's like a witchy, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think Saoirse Ronan looks like a witch.
Who the hell is that?
Saoirse Ronan.
Saoirse
yeah.
Ronan. I don't know how to pronounce her name.
Yeah, I think sure.
Wisher.
Saoirse Ronan. Ronan.
She's in movies.
She's in movies. She's like
I can't
critically
even-
acclaimed and
Yeah,
all
so
that
Verona Kenshin as Jennifer Gale. Verona Kenshin.
How do you feel about Nev Campbell?
stuff. Like,
Not bad.
Yeah, but she's a retire the witch thing.
Yeah.
She was in the craft. She did her thing.
I'm thinking with this character, age doesn't matter, so we can age her up or down. So
Yeah.
Nev Campbell.
you got Daisy Ridley, you got Nev Campbell, you got
Ronan.
Roman Warriors. Next up on the list, we are casting Satana, the daughter of Satan.
I want to go first.
Okay, go ahead.
So
I
I
swear to
look.
God, you say this and punch you in the face. Sorry, go ahead.
What?
I thought you were going to steal my character. Go ahead.
I'm pretty sure I didn't.
Okay.
There was a show called Lost Girl. There was a main character. She was a succubus.
Yeah.
I didn't choose her. I chose her. I chose the side character.
Kinsey?
Yes,
Ew.
Ksenia Solo. I think she can do it.
I didn't watch Lost
I
Girls.
watch Lost Girls, man. Don't look at me like that.
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
I think she can do it.
Kinsey?
What is the problem?
I would have took the Lost Girl herself.
Based on the pictures, images I've seen, I think she fits more.
Ooh, but I would take the Valkyrie chick though.
Sure, whatever.
Okay.
So who'd you pick?
Oh, I chose Ruby Red. No, Ruby. She's playing She's playing Batwoman.
Ruby Rose.
Ruby Rose.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it.
Christian. I actually would have picked. No, whatever. I picked Marion Cotillard.
Who's that?
Die.
The worst death in Batman hit no more. You killed me, Bruce. Her action is shit.
I chose Emily Blunt.
Okay, I can see that.
I don't know what she is. Like, okay, like when you see people, you like, okay, they have a defined look, but it's like when she changes.
I don't think Hollywood has figured it out yet.
Like she changes people. Like
Yeah.
one day I'll see her in one picture and she looks like this, and another picture she looks like that, and I'm like, what are you? You a scroll, bitch.
Next up, we are casting Dr. Voodoo and Brother Voodoo. One of them is a magician of the team, kind of like Doctor Strange, but he uses voodoo magic. And the other one is his brother, who died and is a spirit that is inside of him.
So he uses it.
Yeah.
You guys remember X-Men, Days of Future Past?
Bishop.
Bishop.
Okay.
The guy who played Bishop as Brother Voodoo, and that as Doctor, it would be Yusef Gatewood. He played in the show called The Originals as a actual warlock, and he was amazing.
So you want him as doctor or brother?
As Doctor,
And Bishop as brother?
yes.
Okay. All right. I dig it.
A whole lot of fingers.
I mean, they're twins, so you could get one to play both.
They are.
No, well,
Not in
no,
my version, they not.
no, they're not. They're not. In this one.
Well, in mine there are.
Okay.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
bad. I also dug into the X-Men toy box. There's a lot of broken toys in that toy box.
Hygiene.
Jeans. So remember the black guy from First Class that died?
We all know
and
that
it made
guy.
no fucking sense. Whose
Yeah.
powers shouldn't have allowed him to die.
Darwin.
Yeah.
I cast him as both doctor and brother.
Okay.
He's pretty good.
He was in
Yeah.
Twilight.
I
He was
like
in
that.
Twilight. He was on Blacklist.
Yeah.
His name is Edie Gathetti.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
I fuck with that.
He gets around.
So let me show y'all who I cast. In my version, they are not twins. So for Dr. Voodoo, I went with
Morgan Freeman.
Mustafa Shakir,
Okay.
aka they call him them call him Bushmaster.
The Bushmaster.
And for Brother Voodoo,
Lord have
he's
mercy.
already in the Marvel fucking universe. He's over there. I don't care. He's over
He's in the
there.
other neighborhood. You know how we can see Gotham from Metropolis?
For Brother Voodoo, the spirit inside him,
Don't you know?
I had to go with his right hand man.
Ross Clark.
His name was Kevin Mambo.
Lot of mercy.
Y'all remember him, right? He was the right hand man. That's who I went with
He's the old boy who wanted to
for
do
Brother Voodoo.
He wanted to do the dad.
For Brother Voodoo, I also chose Mustafa Shakir.
Mhm.
I think he'll kill that role.
Mhm.
He'll kill that. His brother, wait, what does that say?
Brother is the spirit. Doctor isn't.
Is the superhero.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
all right. So for Dr. Voodoo, I chose Mustafa Shakir.
Okay.
Okay. As his brother, I chose Aldous Hodge. You've seen him in everything. He was in Leverage, the computer game.
I know.
Oh, Alec Hardison.
Yes. He was
Yes.
also in a show Underground on. I mean, that's where our new Black Canary song.
I'm trying to watch Black People get beat.
Yeah.
He was in
And that's for that
Leverage.
new Black Canary, put it back.
But Leverage was a good
He
show.
was in it. It was a great show.
But Leverage was good.
We're gonna talk about that.
Guess we're recasting Leverage.
Next up, Moon Knight, who I consider is gonna be the hitter of the squad in this movie.
If you paying attention.
So,
Was it bad? Spider-Man was such a gangster.
ATL, ho.
so if he's gonna be a hitter, look, I don't care about the other identities, because as far as I'm concerned, in my movie, he won't even take the mask off, but maybe one time, so that you can know he is Jason Statham.
I was gonna press that Jason Statham button, but I'm gonna do you one better, and I think you'll appreciate this.
Yeah. I'm sorry. No, I'm not.
Who you got?
I picked Nicholas Hoult.
Okay.
From
He beast in X-Men.
my Moon Knight was Luke Evans.
Luke Evans has been missing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he does some stuff here and there.
I could fuck with that. That's not bad at all.
Okay.
I could fuck with that. Jason Statham.
Jason Statham. Jason Statham will kill his role.
Exactly.
Jason
I don't need
Statham.
him to take the mask off. Can you imagine him,
Tim-
Wesley Snipes, and Nicolas Cage
What is this cast?
in the same scene?
If this was
And
Tim-
Nicolas Cage is like scratching at the wall, and then Moon Knight is like, I dig what he's smoking.
If this was 10 years ago.
But see, here's the thing.
Yes.
So are we just gonna say fuck the multiple personalities with Moon Knight? Because I think that adds a layer of it does, but like I said,
I think Jason Statham can do it.
He could do it, but my Moon Knight is not taking the mask off except for one time.
our final pick is Elsa Bloodstone. She's kind of like Blade, but she hunts all monsters and demons.
So, Van Helsing.
Yeah, she's kind of like a Van Helsing type
Okay.
character.
All right, I'll go first. Since her name is pretty much close to it anyway, Emma Stone.
You didn't even try. you was like, I'm done. Wow. No. No, just come on. It's going to be okay.
I gotta agree.
You know what? I'm thinking about it. Emma Stone in the MCU.
You probably Googled redhead and chose the first one.
Look, no one divulges the secret of the Wu-Tang. All right, even though you just did.
Who you got? Charlize Theron. Okay,
She's cool.
that's cool. She gonna bring that same energy she brought in Monster.
Hopefully not the same energy she brought to Atomic Blonde because,
Well, I mean, a broken clock is right at least twice a day. But she's not. So.
She's been in too many clocks.
Okay, Kim.
My choice for I'm not sure of her name, but you guys know who she is. She played Lord of the Rings as an elf, and she was in Ant-Man and the Wasp.
Yeah.
Evangeline Lilly.
There we go.
You can't do that. She's already in the MCU.
God damn it! I saw as soon as I said Ant-Man and the Wasp, I was like,
I mean, you got on him for not trying. Did you try?
I actually did, because I was looking at it, I was like, oh my God, you look
So
amazing.
the look on his face was compelling. Like he wanted me to believe that he gave a shit. And actually searched.
I was like, oh my God, you look amazing.
Maybe you should be Moon Knight. Fine ass acting right there, sir.
Okay, I got to back up.
Mhm.
Maggie Q.
Okay, that's different. But okay, I fuck with that. I fuck with that. She ain't been in nothing in a while.
What is she doing?
Hopefully, somewhere being fine. Anyway.
I can picture she just staring out the window. The wind's coming in from the east.
She has to have one of those silk
Flowing.
robe on.
And then
It's a robe.
you just
It's
hear
like
someone,
a party.
you just hear someone yell out the way, "Girl, you fine." I'm gonna do a retry.
Okay.
It's funny because I hate that she's always like in stuff and I don't really know her credentials. But Ollie Carter,
Who's that?
she was actually in the Resident Evil movies.
You mean Ali Larter.
Wow, you need
Sure.
So my last pick is a little symbolic. I went with Sarah Michelle Gellar, Buffy the Vampire Slayer,
Why?
because
She old.
Elsa Bloodstone is probably old.
Yeah, but she jacked though. Like I would have chose like Angelina Jolie or something.
I wouldn't have chosen that.
Angelina Jolie is old.
Yeah, but she can still fight.
Debatable.
She been whooping Brad Pitt's ass this whole time.
Custody battles, yeah.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Casting Call. Damn.
I didn't even try with that last one.
You really didn't.
I thought I did something.
You shat and left the room.
And I thought.
No,
And
no.
then Norman Reedus came and kicked it. I broke Kim for the month of October. Be back in November, guys. Happy Halloween. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, YouTube,
The
Twitter,
hospital.
the hospital. Check out more episodes of Inside the Ass Whooping, as well as Casting Call. Go back and look at our last October Casting Call. We did Resident Evil a couple of weeks ago. Also, check out
That Arrow show.
that Arrow
Black
show.
Run.
I Got the Runs. Black Lightning, Concession Stand. We do a lot now.
You know the part that kills me? After he kicks it, you know he'll go to sleep on it.
All right, y'all.
Bye.
Peace.